everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I will show you a product which was gifted to me for my birthday. So this is the product. Can you see it? So it's a headphone, a wired one, as like the wired ones. And now let's unbox it. It has a mic for hands-free calling, it's feather light about 150 grams which will light on your head, and it's a wide headset, the one which I wanted the most. So we'll begin unboxing it. And here's the headset in all of its glory. We also have a 1-year warranty with it. And here is the headset. As you can see here, it's foldable, making it easier for traveling with it. You can just fold it into its small size and place it in any of your bag's pocket. The cushioning at the speakers is very comfortable. It fits perfectly on your ears. I'll be showing it to you by wearing it right now. As you can see here, it's from metal, and you can see a bit of it has expanded it. You can expand it more, and you can see it's metal inside. This makes it more sturdy. It also has a spring at the end, and also a metal covering, which looks very beautiful. Now I'll plug it into my phone. Pretty nice. It has great bass and pretty loud. It's just very nice, and it's very great. It's voice cancelling, so you won't be able to hear anyone calling for you, which makes it very peaceful for you to do your work, whether you're trying to study or your job at home virtually. Latency means the time period taken by the audio to be played by the speaker which is taking place in the device, like the shootings of a gun while playing the game. And what I feel and witness by the speaker of this headset, it's very fast. It almost feels like immediate as per the shot. This is my fair review after using it for a week. By the way, I'm using the same headset to do the voiceover for this video. And that's all for today's video. Please make sure to like, share and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye!